Hey everyone, I'm Debbie Wright. I'm Style Director here at Lug. And if you're looking for a great gym bag or overnight bag or weekender bag, boy, do we have great options for you. We have our Steamboat and our Boxer too. Both have their own unique point of view and their own unique pocket organization, and I cannot wait to take you on a tour of both. Starting over here, on the outside, we've got two individual pockets. One over here is for the wallet that has RFID protection. Over here, we've got a wider pocket right there that holds anything like a notebook or maybe a tablet. Then coming up the front over here, we've got RFID protected, a built-in wallet, pen slots, a key clip, cargo pockets, and clear view pockets. Over here, we give you a nice slip pocket for that magazine or anything you want to tuck in there. We also bring you our signature cell phone pocket, which is tucked away on the side right here with a nice zipper and soft lining. And over here, our cell phone pocket is situated at the top of the bag. So you'll find on both bags on the outside are two generous cargo pockets, great for nestling water bottles or umbrellas. But then getting into the main interior of the bag, both of the bags are actually packed with the same items, so they have the same capacity. On one wall, we've got two cargo pockets, great for books or shoes. On the back wall, we've got a privacy zipper compartment. And then inside, I've got two cosmetic cases. I've got a case for my hot iron. I've got a pair of jeans, a towel, shirts. I've got everything I need for a weekend getaway. Now getting into the back of both bags, we have a zipper compartment right here. On the Steamboat, that's padded, which is perfect for your laptop. And on the Boxer too, we've got a great compartment here with a nice little spot to put your readers, that soft line, maybe your sunglasses or your eyeglasses, pen holders, and even a key clip. Then we go into trolley sleeves on both, which allow them to slip over your roller bags. And then on the Boxer too, you'll see this nice ventilated shoe compartment. And my favorite feature is that both bags give you three options for carrying. We have tote handles if you want to carry it as a tote bag. We have hideable backpack straps if you want to throw it on your back. And we also give you an adjustable crossbody strap if you want to go hands-free.
Well, thanks guys for watching. Please be sure to subscribe for more fun videos to come.